we are getting oh so close to wrapping this up. Almost makes me excited. So we're still in the Algebra 2 Topic 1 topic review up to problem 33. We are supposed to solve this system. So we could do it by hand. One of the things you always have to look for when you're working with these matrices and these problems is that the whole thing is all set up the same. And this bottom row looks like it is a little out of whack. So top row, I've got my X's, I got my Y's, I got my Z's and my number. The second row, I think my X's and Y's and Z's are all there. But this bottom row, I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna add these X's and Y's to the other side. So it'd be X plus Y plus Z equals 2. And, you know, I'm kind of looking at this and thinking there's something fishy going on here because I'm not even going to take it over now that I look at this. If I, to Desmos, if I divide all these by 4 in this problem right here, that's the exact same equation as this one down here. So we don't even, it's like those two graphs are right on top of each other. They're exact. And I think the same thing would happen up here on top. If we divided all these by -2, that we would get, again, we would get the exact same equation. If you divide all these by -2, don't we get X plus Y plus Z equals 2 again? So these are really all the same. And what that means is when you have that is that they're all lined up just on top of each other. So every point on one is a solution for the other. So what it means is that there is an infinite number of solutions. All right, so if you get that, the other one is that sometimes it might be parallel lines and you'll get no solution, and that's possible. And something like that might happen if you ended up with an equation like these that said X plus Y plus Z equals something else where they're not even possible to get any answer because all the lines for them were parallel. If you think about it being graphed, they don't intersect. They wouldn't even have to be parallel because when you have your X, Y, and Z in this plane like here, you might have one line that's kind of down here on this plane, but you might have another one above it. But there could be one that's like going in some 3D space that's almost like it's in between. It's not crossing because it's above it, but it's going through kind of, if you can imagine in 3D that that's being drawn. Anyway, good luck on those.